That's right. Nature Gluetech is a medical glue manufacturing company. There are many types of glues for various purposes in the world. Among these glues, medical glues are usually targeting for binding soft or hard tissues, such as lacerated skin or fractured bones. We found a promising raw material for the medical glue from mussels living in the ocean. Musselfoot makes a very thin thread called byssus. By secreting glue proteins at the end of thread, mussels attach themselves on various surfaces under seawater. So we focused on the glue protein secreted from the mussel foot. One thread can lift an object as heavy as 10 kilograms. How amazing is this? Now, let's look into details about core technologies and products of Nature Gluetech. We, Nature Gluetech, have developed unique technology for mass production of mussel glue proteins. Originally, to extract 1 gram glue proteins, 10,000 mussels are needed. So its retail price of 1 gram proteins is about 75,000 US. We dramatically reduced the production cost by inventing microbial mass production system. Based on this technical power, we succeeded in development of medical glues based on mussel glue proteins. These are the world's only medical glue, Bone Fix and Fix-Lite. The Bone Fix can be applied for fixing fractured bones within 5 minutes by self-cross-linking, even in wet environment. Next, the Fix-Lite is able to close wounded skin within 30 seconds by harmless photo cross-linking. Nature Gluetech takes note of mussel glue protein's infinite possibilities, firmly based on original material technology. We are making efforts on developing products used for other medical issues such as hemostasis, perforation, and vascular anastomosis. In addition, it can be used as surgical glues for pets, bone graft binders, surface treatment for implants, sealants for laparoscopic surgery, functional glues for drug delivery, and so on. We are striving to exploit the possibilities of mussel glue proteins and expand the application fields through endless efforts on researches and developments.
저희 네이처 글루텍은 홍합이 만드는 단백질 접착제를 이용해서 사람의 안전하게 사용할 수 있는 혁신적인 의료용 접착제를 만들고 있습니다. 인체 친화적인 저희 제품으로 인해 의사분들은 치료에 대한 만족감을 갖게 되고 치료를 받는 환자분들은 부작용 없이 깨끗하고 빠르게 회복하는 것이 모두의 행복한 삶을 지키는 것이며 저희의 최종 목표입니다. 현재 개발된 생체 접착제는 임상 실험을 완료한 뒤 2018년도까지 250억 원의 매출을 첫 목표로 하고 있습니다. 그리고 앞으로 지혈제 및 장기 혈관 접착제 그리고 애완동물 접착제까지 시장이 확장되면 2023년도에는 연 매출 1조 원 이상으로 의료시장에서의 굳건한 자리매김과 동시에 국익에도 크게 기여할 것으로 생각됩니다.
We do our best to deliver you a better life with safe and effective medical products. We are Nature Gluetech.